Alright you guys, I'm just gonna take this quick second to apologize. I recorded this thing in hyperlapse and it was way faster than I anticipated. So I'm gonna try and slow down the video and explain things as best that I can in the pictures framed. I had already done the other side, so I was not gonna take this mirror back apart to show. So here we go. Remove the glass by peeling from behind and unplugging the connection. There are a few T10 screws and a few plastic clips, so take your time. Next, you want to start removing the mirror cap by starting at the bottom of the cap. There are clips down there, and then prying towards the front. Three more T10s holding the lower cap on. Fold the mirror in and remove the lower cap. Once the lower cap is removed, there are two more T10s to remove and the light is out. Then it's just the start of the installation process all over again and you're finished. Thanks for watching.